Okay, next. This is a calculation problem. It wants us to do linear regression on some data. So it says use technology to perform linear regression, and they want the slope to be cycles versus time. So we need cycles on the vertical and time on the horizontal. So one thing that throws people off about this is that they're saying the time needs to be on your x and the oscillations need to be on the y. So that is backwards of how we put them into Desmos. So we will go to Desmos and just make sure that when you click plus to add your table, you're going to be putting the times on the left and your cycles on the right, like this. Okay, you're going to get a nice plot of the data, and now we want to just do linear regression. Formula is y1 tilde mx1 plus b, and it gives us that the m value is 5. And now we just have to use units with that. So one thing that can help us to understand the slope is thinking about the units of the axes. They said in the problem that they wanted time on the horizontal, which is a unit of seconds. They also want cycles on the vertical. So when we write our m value, even though it says just 5, that has units that you can put with it. We could call it cycles per second. Cycles per second. Okay, so that of course is the unit of hertz. So it's 5 Hz. 5 hertz is our slope. Okay, so the m value is 5, and they also ask for the period. So the m here is the frequency. To find the period, we would do 1 over our frequency, which is going to be 1 over 5, which is 0.2 seconds. That should make sense with the data that you view in your chart, because they said the first cycle took 0.2 seconds. So it makes sense.